What a world we live in. A hustling, bustling, non-stop movement of people, lights, actions, and loud, booming sounds. Well, finally, there's a way to calm down, a way to center yourself and zen out with your pen out. And it's all thanks to Jeff Bridges. Many of us know Jeff Bridges as the Dude, Bad Blake, or Starman. But now, he has a new role. Relaxation Guru.
I love listening to intriguing sounds when I drift off into my dreams.
I know. I thought it was a joke too. Actually, I still think it's a joke. But as it stands, Jeff Bridges has released a series of tracks designed to make you relax. This one is called Hum. Basically just him humming. This next track is called A Glass of Water. And it's about a glass of water.
We need water, although I don't know if you're like me. You drink some water before you go to bed, you're getting up a couple of times during the night, but that's okay.
And now, for one of the scariest things I've ever heard. This is called Sleep, Dream, Wake Up. Now, I love Jeff Bridges. I love these tapes. I even love the fact that when he was promoting it on the Today Show, he gave Savannah Guthrie a scalp massage. But these tapes can be done by anybody. All you need is a melodic tone and a cool voice, like Christopher Walken in Pulp Fiction.
Great-grandfather gave this watch to Granddad for good luck.
You can even do Sam Elliott in his beef commercial.
Beef stroganoff, beef bourguignon, Chateaubriand.
But Jeff Bridges beat all these guys to the punch, of course. But there are a few other YouTube videos out there that can keep you completely relaxed. One of them is my go-to. His name is Bob Ross.
A lot of paint, a lot of paint. Maybe back in here there lives a few trees that are closer to us.
And what about the phenomenon known as Disney Collector? Basically, it's this woman who films herself opening toys. And it's the most relaxing thing I've ever seen.
Play-Doh Easter egg. Today we're gonna open the purple one. This toy is so squishy.
But what about me? Can I make relaxation sounds and video like Jeff Bridges does? Is it possible? I've always wanted to learn how to play Spanish guitar. Luckily, Andrew knows how.